What's up, guys? So we are officially back into my beauty room. Just kind of want to give you the overlay again. My idea is to have like my work desk here and my storage here, and then have this be my makeup wall. So I'm gonna have like a bookshelf here, my vanity, and then my 9 drawer. Hopefully that all fits there, because I anticipated it to be a little bit bigger, honestly. But yeah, and then in this closet, I'm not sure exactly what I want to do, but I do have like a bin full of backdrops, and I'm pretty sure I want to hang those in there. But I think, like, I don't know how it's going to be organized for sure. And then my bathroom, I'm not even worrying about that now, like way down the road. My main priority is to just get this room furnished and then start having fun, like decorating and everything. First thing that I'm gonna do is mop. Just to give it a good smell, clean slate. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, now everything is mopped, so I'm gonna start bringing in my furniture. I do have some new furniture from IKEA that I need to put together, but I just want to bring in everything and just get started. So here we go. I'm gonna start doing this. I outfit changed because I started sweating. So yeah, but I'm gonna put some music on and try to bang this out because I really want to have all my furniture in here today because I work tomorrow. All right, let's do this.
One eternity later.
Okay, now the shelves all built. This took way longer than it needed to be. It was super easy to put together, but freaking piece was broken, so I had to go to IKEA, get a new piece. Turns out the piece is the wrong piece, but I'm not going back. It is what it is. It's a little flawed, but it looks beautiful. Let me show you guys. Okay, this is it. And I plan to have all my purses on there beautifully. This series is going to be in like 5 different parts, just to let you guys know, because this is just like my move-in day. It's already really late and I don't think I made a lot of progress at all. Here's a mirror that I got, but right now I want to get my makeup drawers from my bedroom and bring those in so I can set up my vanity here, because I have my mirror in the living room, which is terrible, but I want to set that up so I can have at least that done. And then I have to go work on some other stuff with my little side business, so I'll have to finish that, and then hopefully I can get back in here tonight. But if not, no worries, like I'm here for good, so I can take my time. This thing, never want to see it again. But it's so beautiful. Can you just imagine my purses? So the flaw is that I got 2 left-sided panels. So this panel on the side is what was broken. So there's 2 of them, and I guess it was a right side, but they look exactly the same. The only difference is the holes were on the other side. So the front of my thing now has like holes in it, because in the back you're supposed to screw on the little plate. So I just screwed one plate and then those holes I can probably, you can't even really tell, but I can probably just fill them in with like even some vinyl, just like white vinyl, just cover those ugly holes. But yeah, that's it. I'm going to move it into my makeup drawers and hopefully get my vanity at least set up, and then do the rest tomorrow. Here in my room, here's the vanity setup that I had. Super, you see what I mean by like small? Don't mind, my room is a mess, but I just didn't have much room like back there. You can't see it. Like I just wanted to be able to actually do my makeup here and have it like beautifully set up. It's kind of just really cluttered to me right now. So I have to take off all this stuff right now. All that stuff too. And this is actually drilled into the wall. So that'll float. But once I take these off, the desk, it doesn't have legs. So I have a desk already, but it's a little like 2 inches taller, which means now I have to re-drill that 2 inches higher, which is so annoying, but I have to do it. So I'm gonna take the legs out. I'm gonna take everything off and take the drawers out now. Now I have this one to do. Take all that off and let's go. Alright, so I moved in the freaking vanities, which I swear to God, I don't know how much makeup's in there, but they were like 50 to 60 pounds each, and I'm sweating. Now, I'm gonna go get my mirror, which I am dying to put in here, like dying. So let's go. Okay guys, so this is what I have so far. This is my cup storage where I keep like all of my blanks. And then I still have my desk, my work desk to get in here. My filming desk is gonna go like right here. And I also plan on like working on it too, because my work desk I use for like my Cricut, like keep my Cricut on it and like let it run. But I anticipated this space to be a little bit wider, and I thought my desk would fit like right in that little gap right there, but it's not. So look at this hair. I just have to play around with it. But yeah, let me just show you my progress. I put the vanity mirror, and my brother helped me do that and do that, and it's looking like a room now, and I'm so excited. So let's show you. Okay, so here you've already seen that, and then here's my makeup drawers from my other room, from my bedroom, and then here's my brand new baby. This table is super unsturdy right now. And then also this base is huge, like too big. I don't like it. It only leaves me like 2 hands to work, which is fine, but I think I'm just gonna put it on the wall. It would be safer. This was really expensive, so I'd rather just be safe than sorry and hang it on the wall, but obviously that's not gonna be able to be getting done tonight. And then I have my Alex 9 drawer here, kitty cornered, just because if I left it flush, it would look weird because there'd be like a gap, and I have no idea what I would put there. And then those are the light bulbs. And then here's like my storage, but this is the area where I'm confused because I'm like, do I like corner the desk in? I have no idea. I'm gonna try to bring the pinwheel desk in and see if that works better, because I wouldn't mind that actually. Actually kind of like that desk better in here, because when I built it, I just like built it because it was a cheap table for my room since I replaced my vanity. But this room is going to be pink, like you can see my chair. Pink, gold, and white. And then, well, it has to be gray because of this, but I'm hoping once my decorations get in here, the pink kind of like overwhelms this dark gray. I don't mind the gray. I love gray actually. Like my whole house is gray. But for this, I just wanted it to be like the most girly room ever. And then I'll have like this random decoration. And then yeah. So this is what we got so far. The overview. So we have my desk over there, my work area. And then here will be beauty. And then of course, like right in the middle right here, I'm gonna put a small skinny table so I can film, but also so I can work on. But yeah, this is what we have so far. It actually looks like a room, and I'm so excited to decorate. So you guys will just have to stay tuned. But yeah, welcome to my beauty room, day 1.